Okay, the next question is, tell me about a time when you had to implement a significant architectural change in a system. How did you approach it, and what challenges did you face? Here's a good answer. At my previous company, we managed a monolithic application that started experiencing significant scalability issues as the user base grew. Response times increased during peak traffic, and deployment cycles were becoming riskier due to tightly coupled components. Leadership tasked me with spearheading the migration to a microservices architecture to resolve these issues. As the technical lead, I was responsible for designing the new architecture, getting buy-in from stakeholders, and ensuring a smooth transition without major downtime or service interruptions. I approached the migration in phases to minimize risk and involve the team. I audited the monolith to identify services that could be decoupled, focusing first on low-risk, high-impact components like authentication and user management. I presented a detailed plan to the leadership and engineering teams, including a roadmap, projected costs, and potential risks. I also addressed concerns about technical debt and operational complexity. We used a strangler pattern to break off parts of the monolith into microservices. I ensured each service had clear APIs and robust monitoring for performance and errors. I introduced Kubernetes for orchestration, and we standardized on gRPC for inter-service communication. To minimize impact, we thoroughly tested each service in staging environments with realistic traffic simulations before production rollout. The migration was completed within 6 months, starting with critical services and expanding over time. As a result, system scalability improved, reducing response times during peak traffic by 40%. Deployment frequency increased from monthly to weekly with fewer rollbacks. The team gained valuable skills in distributed systems, making future changes easier. The new architecture also enabled faster feature development since teams could now work on independent services without worrying about affecting unrelated parts of the system. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Leadership. You demonstrate the ability to lead a complex project with many moving parts. 2. Problem solving. You tackle a challenging issue, scalability, with a structured and thoughtful approach. 3. Technical expertise. Your detailed explanation of architectural patterns and tools shows depth of knowledge. 4. Results-oriented mindset. You tie your actions to measurable improvements in system performance and team efficiency. What you should avoid saying. 1. Overloading technical jargon. Keep the explanation accessible, focusing on high-level concepts and results. 2. Ignoring team contributions. Acknowledge team efforts to show collaboration and humility. 3. Glossing over challenges. Avoid saying it was smooth sailing. Instead, discuss specific challenges and how you overcame them, e.g., addressing team resistance or debugging inter-service issues. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsy8.com.